Righto, we are back for the our Summernats preparation. So I've got me bits and pieces that I was chasing to mount this all up. She's now mounted up, all the fuel lines, the accelerator cable, all my plug and play electrics and everything like that. Just had to wait for a couple of things and they're finally here. So basically what we do now, I'm going to show you how these bloody sniper systems work. So this doesn't know what the hell it's bolted to. But we're about to tell it what it's bolted to. So I'll run through this thing called a wizard. That's what they call it. And we tell the car basically. Oh, sorry. Holley Sniper. We tell it what it's connected to. So just give me a second because I've got to connect my battery. I forgot about that. It's disconnected. And then I'll show you the rundown. We're back. I just had to connect the bloody whatever you call it, the battery. I'll turn this camera around and let's go through this. Rightio. So they come with a little screen, little handheld thing like this. Let's go through it. This is the first startup, first everything. So I don't know how it's going to go. So initiate. Now we need to go into the wizard when it first starts up. And then we need to find what throttle body setup we have. So we have a 2x4 Super Sniper 8 injector 4150, this one down here. How many cylinders? We have 8. Engine displacement. Oh, fucking, it's a bit hard to clear. Be able to do this one hand. 3, 4, 6. Target idle speed. Let's clear that. Clear 12. Oh. It's a little bit hard, isn't it? One hand at 1200. Save. Plus I've got big fat fingers. Oh, can you just fucking stick that? Yes, next. Cam type. Stock, mild, street, strip, or race. Never pick race. Never pick race. No, like you think you got a big cam, but you don't. It'll just overfuel the system. So I have a largish cam, but not a massive cam. So street strip. Power adder. Do I have a supercharger? No, not yet. Righto. What type of RPM signal ignition do I give it? Well, I have a CD box. And she's about to write the tune. Now, I'm running E85 straight away, so it's going to, yeah. Whoa, we got a fucking fuel leak. Look at that. Yep. Right, let's fix that. Right, bit of a sprung a bit of a fucking leak. Anyway, I've just done a bit of a quick little stuff there. I've just joined the two throttle bodies together with some soft line at the moment. I'm just waiting for some fittings for the Dash 8 hoses, for the PTFE type hoses, to match the rest of my fuel system. So, but anyway, so we'll do this again. So basically, you put in your size of your engine, where you're gonna, where it's gonna pick up all its fucking RPM signals from and all that type of stuff. What your idle, your cam, and all that, and then it'll pressurize the system with the fuel pumps, As you can see, we found a leak straight away. Now let's see if I fixed it. So she's off at the moment. So no fuel leaks. As you can hear, the pumps, they primed up. See. So this car hasn't been started. We have 104 Fahrenheit, 12.5 battery volts, ISC, and all that type of stuff. Now, the initial startups are really, really hard because they don't know basically what they're starting with. Let's just change that temperature to Celsius. File, local setup, local options, show temperature Celsius, home monitor, multi-gauge, vitals, 40 degrees. And it is 40 degrees outside. It is hot outside. Anyway, let's see what she's gonna do. Maybe it hasn't been started. Doesn't know what it's connected to. I don't know if it will start because it's E85. Might need a fair bit to go. Oh, I've never had that happen before. Mm-hmm. The AFR's jumping up and down because it needs to learn itself. It ain't going to start learning. So at the moment it's trying to compensate. But it won't start creating its fuel map until the 160 Fahrenheit, which is I think 70 degrees or something like that. So she needs to warm up. But as you can see, she fucking, it took a little bit to start with. Maybe because being E85 need a lot more fuel put in there before we went bang. But she got going. She's idling quite fine. The IAC's doing its job. The idle air control valve, like it's fucking going off its head. And the reason why that is I've got all the throttles back right off, the butterflies and everything back right off. So they're not open. Get out and we'll have a look and then see what we're looking at. Bit of smoke. Hopefully it won't catch on fire. Now, this is pretty cool, and this is why I started running E85. So, you see the condensation. You bastard. Stored out. got a bit of smoke, but I did degrease the engine down. It's, you know, usual dirty stuff and that.
Temperature now for the unit to start learning. As you can see in the screen there, she's in learn status. So basically, it's now creating. It's trying to perfect its own tune at the moment of what it thinks it needs. It's now creating a learn table as well, where. This is what it thought it needs, but now this is what it needs. So I'll get the laptop out later on. I didn't bring it with me today, so I fucked up. But basically, I'll get the laptop out and I'll look at its learn data and I'll try and perfect its tune. But at the moment, we just want it to learn how to idle properly. The idle air control's at 19% now. I did go out there and twist the fucking thing, idle screws a little bit. But yeah, she's sitting at 1200 RPM quite well. This is fucking just been bolted to this thing and started up. So it does quite well. Yeah, I'll just basically I'll give it I'll give it 10 minutes or something at idle. And then I start working it up, 2,000, 3,000, and just try and get it to learn at different RPMs. That's without load, by the way. That's in the shed. It really, you know, you've got to go out on the road and drive it around for an hour. But I won't be. I'll just see what the difference is in what it's picking up to what my previous single was doing. See if I can get my tune close enough. She's doing alright so far. Yeah, I've had an opportunity to go through the rev range with this and see how it's going. And try and do a bit of a foot on to load it up. And she's she's coughing splattering, so I don't know how to I need to get a GoPro or something like that. But anyway, that's how we kind of, these sniper systems work. It is ideal probably to dyno tune them, but basically you fucking bolt the bastards on and drive them. So remember, this isn't a street car. I can't just drive down the road and it's not going to learn within an hour for me and stuff like that. So yeah, it happens. It's pretty nice. I think it's a 57 Bel Air. Says 57 Chev on his number plate, so we'll just go with that. Right, I'm out of here. See if I can show you the laptop stuff of what it's learnt so far and how much it's out and then how I'm going to overcome it. So I'll just quickly show you this. So when I went through the handheld before, I showed you that I had 12.5 wide open throttle, 13.5 idle, 14 cruise or whatever. That's just preset by the hand controller. I'll show you how it comes out. So this is why you do it on a laptop as well. It makes it a bit easier to adjust and smooth it all out. So 12.5 wide open throttle, 14 cruise, 13.5 idle. And that's how it looks. That's factory with the computer. Boom.
fluids around. Anyway, so this is my other one, that how I've got it tuned in my other one, like my other file. So we're just gonna copy that straight across, so at least it gets a bit closer to where I actually want it to be. Because, you know, what's been working for me hopefully works again. Paste. Should work, yep. The graphs don't look so much. I also copied my base fuel file from before as well. Moved it across, as you can see, on the E85. I am just about to run out of injector on the 400 pounds per hour, but now I've got 800 pounds per hour, so I won't run out of injector now. But anyway, I'll just do that and see how we go tomorrow. I'll take the laptop to work and plug it into the car, and we'll see how she goes.